Hearty welcome to Prabhat Special News Bulletin.
Overcoming the grave challenge of COVID-19, Prabhat Kids School, one of the finest schools in Maharashtra, has continued its streams of education through a comprehensive online mode.
We are here to brief you about some of the salient features of online and offline education of Prabhat, and also to disclose a galaxy of different scholastic, co-scholastic activities, programs and achievements. First, the highlights.
Prabhat continued its comprehensive online and offline education. Prabhat achieved 100% glorious results in CBSE board exams. Prabhat 5 students selected for the prestigious NTSC. Prabhat's 4 students grabbed the national scholarship. Prabhat saluted the national tricolor on the Independence Day. And Prabhat teachers' poetry meet enthralled the audience. Since last year, Prabhat has been implementing a comprehensive online and offline education for students. Despite the challenge of COVID-19, the online session began on time. Following a regular timetable, Prabhat has been conducting online classes for students. The parents have to submit the copies of students at school, which teachers duly checked. Their scholastic progress is continuously mapped by organizing different academic activities, discussions and doubt-solving sessions. As a result of this comprehensive e-schooling, Prabhat achieved 100% quality results in CBSE Standard 12 and 10 exams. Though this year actual pen and paper exams were not conducted due to COVID-19, CBSE meticulously assessed the student performances in previous years' pre-board exams conducted online by schools and their online attendance, and declared the result of Standard 12th and Standard 10th. Prabhat Senior Secondary School's Nandini Rathi and Raj Wagmare topped the school by scoring 95%. Sanika Zumde achieved the second position by scoring 94.40%, while Shraddha Bagde won the third place with 93.40% marks. Prabhat's 14 students scored above 80% and 18 students scored more than 70% marks, while remaining 16 students scored above 70% marks. Similarly, in CBSE Standard 10 results, the Sauke achieved 99.60% of marks to top the school. Mihir Tale achieved 99.40%, while Yug Karya scored 99.20% marks. This year, 49 students scored above 90%, 40 students scored above 80%, while 23 students scored above distinction.
Again, Prabhat's 5 students qualified for the final round of the prestigious National Talent Search Examination, which would be conducted by NCERT New Delhi. These achievers include Aditya Jungade, Daksh Sauke, Mihir Tale, Ojas Solanki and Vinit Golde. Prabhat's 4 students, Khyati Loya, Sahil Wadkar, Tanya Kakar and Atharva Daberao grabbed laurels by achieving NTSC scholarship. They were warmly felicitated at the hands of the district education officer. Prabhat's honorable directors Dr. Gajanan Nare and Mrs. Vandana Nare, Principal Brushali Wagmare, Vice Principal Archana Belsare and School Coordinator Muhammad Asif congratulated the achievers for their brilliant success.
Prabhat's Cultural Department organized a thought writing competition for students of Standard 6th on July 28. More than 70 students participated in the thought writing competition and imbibed the great thoughts propounded by our adored scientist APJ Abdul Kalam.
Pandharpur is an adorable abode of grace for Maharashtra. Depicting the ethos of the celebration, Prabhat prepared a beautiful online celebration of Ashadhi Ekadashi. Snigdha Deshmukh presented a Poingan Kirtan that threw light on the great spiritual journey of Maharashtra. She urged people to take precautions to evade the impending third wave of the pandemic. And Vijay Bai beautifully conducted the program. Similarly, Prabhat's budding singer Parinita Bharapatre beautifully presented a song in Living the Aura of Pandharpur.
A special program was also conducted on the occasion of Guru Purnima. Prabhatians paid homage to their teachers. Alankar Dambale presented a beautiful story depicting the great spiritual legacy of teachers. Jagruti Khurpe and Savni Kulkarni presented a beautiful dance. Ishwari Patil presented a speech, while Krishna Deshmukh eloquently conducted the program. Following the state government's guidelines, Prabhat Kids School celebrated Independence Day. The flag hosting ceremony was held at the hands of noted thespian and executive member of Akhil Bharatiya Natya Parishad Mumbai, Mr. Ashok Dhere, Shri Sahebrao Jinare, President of Prabhat Charitable Society, Prabhat's Honorable Directors Dr. Gajanan Nare and Mrs. Vandana Nare, Secretary Neeraj Avandekar, Mrs. Shilpa Avandekar, Principal Brushali Wagmare, Vice Principal Archana Belsare, Manager Abhijit Joshi, Coordinator Primary Manju Joshi and Dr. Suhas Pugle were chiefly present on the occasion. After the flag hosting ceremony, the dignitaries, teachers and non-teaching staff sang the national anthem in one voice. On the onset, students also participated in the online Rashtragan event organized as a part of Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav and proudly sang the Rashtragan. On the occasion of Independence Day, Prabhat's brilliant alumnus Sanika Zumde achieved the District Youth Award 2019-20. Honorable District Guardian Minister Bachchu Kadu conferred the award.
Before closing this bulletin, let us put a glance on beautiful teachers' poetic meet Kavya Dhara held at Prabhat Kids School. Teachers presented the fleet of their poetry in Marathi, Hindi and English and won applause from the audience. The program was held meticulously following the COVID-19 guidelines. Thanks for being with us. Please do like the bulletin and subscribe to Prabhat's YouTube channel to get updates of school activities.
This is Samidha Nichal
and Sana Karse
are signing off this news bulletin.